Oh my god, bro.
Okay, the video is all about sushi. Teka, lapit ako Okay, yung video na to ay about sa sushi, okay? Nagtatrabaho lang tayo sa isang sushi restaurant. And hindi natin alam na may bigla na lang pumalat na virus. And yung virus na yon is gagawin kang cannibal, okay? Let's say kakain ka na ng human meat or some sort of thing basta galing sa meat ng mga raw meat. Yeah, human meat. At ang pinaka dito, hindi sila zombies. Okay. And the game's name is The Sushi House. Pero yeah, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. Sana naman ay magustuhan nyo tong video na to. And happy 1K, man! Man! Pabilis natin, man. Apakainit! Pilipinas, ano na. Yeah, enjoy. Mag-rate na lang ako na IG. Ayoko, pre, hindi naman ako judgmental. Hindi ako nag-judge yung tao, pre. Sa mga pictures, pre, wag yun, ganun. Masama yun. Ito na lang. This game is a work of fiction. Alam ko, Japanese game ata. CCT midterms. Actually, hindi pa tapos midterms eh. Feels like I just closed my eyes and it's already morning. Maybe I could sleep for just 5 more minutes. No, today's my first day at work. I can't be late. Better get up, wash up, and get ready. Gusto ko to parang mapapasaba ka ulit sa voice acting. Wow! Ganda naman dito. Interaction. Ano game? Sushi House. Maligo na ba tayo? Grabe, parang luxury na to ah. Laligo na tayo. Tama, hindi pa naliligo dyan, boy ah. Yun na yun? Okay, lalabas na ba ako? Ay, gagi, wala nang damit-damit. Rekta na to, tol. Ganun pag mayaman, hindi na magbibihis. Ba't bawal mo ba? 92 na si 100, ano tayo? Walang sabon-sabon, pare. Okay na. First. Tama, di ba? Walang ground, hindi naka-ground. Ano? Ayun. Hindi ko na nagagets yan eh. Hindi ko na nagagets. Sparring. Delicious Italian. Paano ba saan to? Cuisine? Tasty barbecue. Order all night. Cuisine. Ayos ah. Ba't may mga ano sa... Mga natalo sa sugal to. Casino eh. Natalo to. Natalo to sa ano, pre? Adol! Yan. Bawal ko pa sabihin yung ano na yun. Yung, yan, ano, pre? Taya-taya kasi kayo tapos ano, pambili ng ano ng dejected man. Please leave me alone. I don't want to talk to anyone right now. Ayan. Casino ka pa, ha? I'm sorry, I lost the surgery money again. Deserve. Ikaw, eto ano ata si kuya eh. Young man, got any spare change? Today, a cup of coffee feels more desperate than ever. Yeah, I have a couple of dollars. Thank you. A person with a warm heart, huh? So, where are you headed at this hour? You don't look like a student, but you're not dressed in a suit either. To a sushi place. It's my first day on the job. Oh, sushi. I used to love that stuff back in the day. Salmon, tuna, flounder, now I just chew on the memories. First days are always nerve-wracking, but don't hold on too tight. Go with the flow. Sushi tastes better when it's gentle, right? Thank you. Actually, the game is strength. Buti pa yung homeless, pare. Mabait. Anong ganap? Sushi house daw. Magtatrabaho tayo sa sushi house. Kaso sarado. Ay, bukas ba to? Ay, bukas pala! Ang pangat naman kasi ng pinto. Transparent masyado. May tao, pre. Uy! Hi, ma'am. Excuse me. Whoa! I didn't see you come in. Babae ba to?
You're the new hire starting today, right? I'm the head chef here. We'll be working together from now on. Your coworker will handle your training. She's probably changing in the locker room right now. Your uniform's ready in the locker room too, so go get changed and come back out.
Okay. Yes, understood. Sino ate guy? Yes, understood. Babae ba ito lalaki? Oh. Okay. Ito na ba? Okay, goods. Wala ang child. What do you mean? Ayun!
Oh, that uniform really suits you. It's your first day, right? I'm Yuki. We'll be working together from today. Nice to meet you.
Yes! Nice to meet you too!
Starting today, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can get used to the job. If anything feels difficult or confusing, just ask me anytime.
Yes, understood!
Great. Let's start with the very first task. There's a mop in the back of the kitchen. Could you grab it and bring it to the hall?
Manager?
Hey, what the hell are you doing just standing around? You're not seriously thinking of half-assing from the start, are you?
Kaumpisa ko lang eh.
Oh no, I was just about to get started. Training? Don't make me laugh. This kind of work isn't something you learn with your head. You need to move your hands and feet first. Quit standing around and get your damn hands moving. Don't worry, manager. I'll guide him carefully. Carefully? This isn't the playground. If you can't pick up the pace, neither of you will get no feast.
Putik, ba't ganun ako magsalita ngayon, pre? Bakit ramdam na ramdam ko yung... Wait, asan na yun? Kasi map. Ay. Mga nagka-asino. Ay, may tao na. Horror ba to? Alam ko horror to eh. Baka mamaya try lang magtitinda tayo ng sushi. Pwede ka na sa voice over. Wala, gusto ko lang talaga ma-separate yung character kasi nila. Ewan ko bakit parang ramdam na ramdam ko yung character. Ano, ma'am? Okay. Babalik na siguro to. Horror to city na atakot? What do you mean?
The very first thing you need to do when you come in is mop the floor.
Kakausapin pala. Kakausapin pala siya? Ate, tapos na ako mag-map.
Since you're on opening duty, all you really have to worry about is keeping the floor nice and clean. I'll handle the rest, like clearing tables and take out the trash. When I close up, so you don't need to worry about that.
Nauna pa ako.
So for you, just focus on mopping the floor thoroughly when we open. Easy, right? Starting tomorrow, you'll be opening by yourself. So pay close attention today. This is the only day I can help you. Just so you know, I usually work the afternoon and closing shift. I only came in early today to train you. But normally, I'll be the one taking over after your shift ends. Alright, start from the entrance and work your way around the tables. Let me know when you're done.
Actually, ate, tapos na mag-map kanina pa.
Oh, by the way, if it feels too quiet while you're working, feel free to turn on the jukebox.
Tapos na ako mag-map?
I'll tell you what's next.
Tapos na nga ni ako eh. Magluluto ba ako ng sushi? Ay, gagawa ba ako ng sushi? Ito! Boiled shrimp! Anong recipe ng boiled shrimp? Sa rail A, dito siya lalagay. Order number 1, table number 4. Boiled shrimp. I think meron. Ito, boiled shrimp. I need the rice. Spade? Tama, di ba? Spade ba? Ito ba yung club? O ano? Wait lang. Wait lang. Ito pala dapat. The rice. Tapos, boiled shrimp. Tapos, table number 4. Ayan. Madali lang pala siya gawin. Ayan. Okay na ba, miss? Kasi, pagod na ako agad eh. Ang dami palang gagawin dito. Chef! Kanina ka pa naghahati ng pipino dyan.
The reel stopped moving. Is it broken? Just like I mentioned earlier, the reel's power sometimes cuts out. The circuits are a bit old, so this kind of outage happens from time to time. See those circuit boxes on the wall? They're all lined up there. Find the one for the rail that lost power. Then flip all the switches back on. The rail will start running again right away.
Turn on all the switches in 4 moves. Some switches are linked and will turn on together. So, kapag binuksan ko to, saan? 4 lang dapat. Nakaka-stress pala to, guys. Sana hindi ko naging... Okay, never mind. Okay na ba? Ikaw ba kakain nun, te? Ayoko na. Table number 4 nga. Sarado ko na lang para wala ng stress. Hindi, baka magalit si Manny, si manager.
Ito open.
Sushi! Sushi! Bili na kayo ng sushi! Okay, dito bibili sa spicy refreshing noodle. Hindi masarap yan. Dito sa coffee shop, wag na yan. Walang pumapasok, tol. Ayaw nila ng sushi. Sir, sushi! Sushi! Ito, papasok to, pre. Parang na... Ayun! Pinapitan na natin agad dun, pre. Dun tayo agad. Dun tayo agad. Anong table yan? Ay, putik, ang dami na nila! Ano ba gagawin? Di ba magta-type sila doon? Hindi ko naman sila kakausapin eh. O hindi nga. Dead-decide pa. Wala kasi signal. May na wifi. Ayaw pumasok ng order. Ayun! Okay, diamond. Let's pick the diamond. Tapos, table number 2 siya. Okay, table number 2. Okay. Tapos, Otoro, bluefin fatty tuna. Steam albacore tuna. Tama ba? Albacore. Ay, hindi. Bluefin pala. Ito, bluefin. Nakakapagod to. Lagay na natin sa rail A. Table number 2, rail A. Okay. Next order na. Ang dami na. Table number 5. Tapos,
Pag ako yan, mapipressure ako tas iiyak na lang.
say ko na nandito yan.
You
Kaya nga eh.
work faster, man.
Spade. Salmon with onion. O, teka, wala na namang rice. Nakalimutan ko yung rice. Guys, wait lang. Ang dami nyo masyado. Oh my God. So, sa number 4 naman, etong heart. Hindi, boiled na siya dapat pag kinuha eh. So, dapat, yung spade na tapos na natin, fresh salmon naman. So, sa heart. Fresh salmon. Meron dito ata yan. Ito, fresh salmon. Kalimutan ko naman yung kanin.
Kung may balat pa daw.
Fresh salmon.
Pabalik conveyor mo yan, nalagay ah.
Hindi, wala pa naman. Fresh salmon, number 4. Sa A. Uy, nandito na siya, Gagi! Hello! Good work! Time's up! For your first day, you actually did pretty well. Once your shift is over, you can check today's performance results on the whiteboard. Just remember, if you ever get an F rank, you'll be fired on the spot. So always be careful, alright? Yes, thanks. Thank you so much for teaching me all this day. Oh, it's nothing. By the way, what are you doing after this? If you're grabbing dinner, want to join me? I was just about to eat since I'm on my break right now. Sure, that works out perfectly. I was getting hungry anyway. Then once you've changed, let's meet at the place called Spicy and Refreshing Noodle. Got it. I'll be there soon. Paano tong sushi na hawak ko? Diyan na yan. May bibihis na ba tayo nun? Kakain lang kami sa noodles. Ba't di na lang kumain dito sa sushi shop? Spicy and refreshing noodle. Let's go eat. Did you wait long? No, I just got here too. So, what do you feel like eating?
Date sila.
What's the best thing here? The spicy and refreshing noodles are the
Sobrang
best.
atake mo nung
Hands down. Just like the name says, spicy but refreshing. I love it. Then, I love that too. I'm starving and I like spicy food. So, how was work today? Was it tougher than you thought? It was a little confusing and tiring, but I think I'm getting used to it.
Over sa hero.
Thanks to your help. I'm sure it'll get easier the more I do it. Even if it's hard, I still need the money. For your first day, you really did great. Honestly, I was totally overwhelmed on the first day too. Don't worry, you'll get used to it before long. Oh right, have you seen the news lately? There've been so many frightening things happening in the world. The news? Not really. I haven't had time. What's been happening?
Grabe yung
Have you heard of the Manser virus? Manser virus? No? That's the first I've heard of it. Well, to put it simply, people who are infected develop an urge to eat human flesh. But the scarier part is that, on the surface, they look completely normal. Just like us. There's no cure and no one knows how it spreads. They look normal? Then, how do you tell if someone's infected? Most of the time, you can't. They live ordinary lives, work jobs, have families. They're completely blended with society, into society. So, that means even the person sitting next to me could be infected? You could say that.
And actually, I noticed something strange while working a night shift recently. There seems to be some kind of hidden, unfamiliar space inside the restaurant structure.
Ayun na nga! Ayun ang horror!
And since you're my coworker now, there's something important I think you should know. But before I tell you, promise me one thing. You can't tell anyone what I'm about to say. This has to stay between just the two of us. Understood?
Virus. Parang zombie virus yan, tol ah. Well,
What is it? Sorry, but can I tell you tomorrow at the same time instead? My break's over, and I really have to go.
huh?
Sorry, I'll explain tomorrow for now. Just go home and get some rest.
See you then. What was that all about? Ba't ganun siya tumakbo? Ano nangyari sa kanya? Ganda ng ganun ang view ah. Wow! Apakaangas. Corp Hotel. Okay, tignan natin kung ano yung virus na yun. News anchor. We bring you a report on the Mansour virus, which has been spreading worldwide. This virus is known for causing infected individuals to develop an urge to consume human flesh. So far, neither its origin nor a cure has been identified. The greater concern is that the infection shows no visible symptoms, making it extremely difficult to detect by sight alone. Health authorities have warned that without knowing the route or cause of transmission, controlling the spread of the virus remains nearly impossible. Furthermore, because infected individuals live hidden among society while concealing their condition, the threat is considered even more severe. Nakatakot yung virus na to, pre. Numerous victims have already been reported, all discovered to have been horrifically devoured in attacks carried out by the infected. Initial cases of infection are believed to have occurred about a year ago. And so far, the number of confirmed cases has... so sleepy. Ano nangyari sa akin? Gifting suspended, live visibility restricted. Puchang gala! Ba't ako na-report? Minsan na nga lang mag-live. Isang oras na ako naka-live. Parang infected to, pare ah. Yeah, infected ka siguro.
Hello, excuse me.
Oh, hello. The restaurant isn't open yet. May I ask what brings you here?
Well, I'm actually the manager of the new sushi place that just opened right out front. We'll be officially opening tomorrow, so I came to pay my respects to the manager of this restaurant.
I'm sorry, but the manager isn't here at the moment.
In that case, could you please pass along my business card? My contact information is on it, so I'd really appreciate it if you could give it your manager.
Of course, I'll make sure it gets to him. Uy, ano na yung nahati mo? Isda pa rin. Kala ko ano eh. Pwede natin tayo magbukas.
Parang infected to tol ah.
Salmon. Salmon with onion. Onion ba? Onion? Tama, onion. Rail letter A. Rail A. Rail letter B. Napapagod na ako ulit. C. 24C. Ay, okay na.
You did great today. Looks like you're starting to get the hang of it.
Ayun na yung manager, oh. Nasa likod niya. Yes, it went much better than yesterday, but I still have a lot to learn.
Good. Don't lose that enthusiasm. And oh, remember what I promised yesterday? The secret I said I'd tell you? But this isn't the best place to talk about it. How about we go to the restaurant we went yesterday?
Sure, that sounds good. I'll change and head right over there. Oh no, ayan na. Yuki, I need a word with you. Come to the office.
Yes, sir. Something just came up. If it takes too long, just don't wait for me. Just head home, okay?
Patay! Feeling ko may naano na si manager. Alam siguro ni Yuki na may something sa likod ng restaurant, tapos na-sense na siguro ni manager. Tapos, what if wala na si Yuki pagbalik natin doon? Alright, that business card I got earlier, I forgot to give it to the manager. So what exactly were you doing there earlier?
I just see it seems strange. So I wanted to check it out.
Check it out? Don't screw with me. What the hell were you trying to find? That's none of your damn business. May nalaman si manager.
I'm sorry, it just looks suspicious, so I only took a quick look.
Cut the crap. Was it only you? Or did you run your mouth and tell someone else about that place? Knocks on the door. Knock ba tayo sa door? Manager. What is it? Earlier this morning, a man stopped by. He asked me to make sure you got this business card, so I brought it over. I'm busy. Leave it At the door. Yes, understood. Kawawa to, pare. Feeling ko may mangyayari kay Yuki talaga.
Oh, we meet again. So did you make it through the day alright, young man?
Yes, I made a few worse mistakes than yesterday, and I'm starting to get used to it. But this morning, you were asleep.
Haha, I had too much coffee last night. Kept me wide awake until dawn. Couldn't get a wink of sleep.
I didn't want to bother you, so I just passed quietly.
Thoughtful, young man, aren't you? By the way, do you happen to have a spare coin or two left in your pocket today?
Sorry, I don't have any change left today. Next time, I'll just buy you a coffee and leave it by your side.
What a good man running into someone like you at the end of the day. It's not such a bad thing after all.
Okay. Uy! Mga gangsta! Mga gangsta yan ah! Adol! Oo nga, patay tayo niyan man.
Hey you, hold up a sec. Yeah you, there's nobody else around. Life's rough these days, isn't it? Don't you feel like blowing up some steam?
I'm not sure what you mean.
How about making a quick fortune? Just one job with us, and tonight we could turn into the best night of your life.
Tropa yan ni Sanji.
Sorry, I'm not interested in that sort of a thing.
Come on, don't be scared. What's wrong with trying it once?
Sama ba natin to, pre?
Think about it. If things go well tonight, your whole life could change starting tomorrow.
Sama ba natin to? Wala namang option eh. I'm sorry, man. Another exhausting day. I'm dead tired. I should just wash up and crash. Ligo na lang tayo ulit. Thank you. Tapos, sleep. Kaganda ng ano natin, tas ganito lang yung kama. May mangyayari siguro kay Yuki. These are? Who could it be? Ayan na, tol. May nag-doorbell na. Sino nga ba to? Yuki! I thought you're gone. Yuki, what are you doing here at this time of night? Sorry, I didn't mean to startle you showing up this late. Remember how I promised to tell you the secret today? Something came up earlier, so I'm late. Something came up? What happened? There's no time to explain right now, but this is the perfect moment. It's something you have to see for yourself, or you won't understand. See for myself? At this hour? Yes, if you don't see it now, you might never get the chance. Come on, it won't take long. There's something I have to show you. Alright, just give me a second. I'll change and be right out. What if si Yuki nga din yung kasabot natin? Ay, kasabot ng manager. Ano di manager kanina o duguan? You kinda saucy, ha? This ain't good, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh! See this? While I was cleaning, I heard a strange draft coming from this spot. So I moved the lockers and this passage show up. I had a feeling, but to think something like this was really here. I actually heard that sound in the locker room earlier today. I thought it was strange, and now it makes sense. But where does this passage lead? I haven't been able to fully check it out yet. Want to go in and take a look? What? Hindi ka kasabot, Yuki, ha? What if you do something to me as well, bro? You have to chill, ha? Ayan na, oh. Hindi mo maglakad. Hindi mo maglakad, Yuki. What's this? While you were working upstairs, I was actually investigating this secret place. Investigating? So what did you find down here? Yeah, but while I was looking around, I ran right into the manager. He was doing something down here. Honestly, I panicked. He dragged me straight to the office, and I had to come up with an excuse on the spot. Then what he said in the office earlier. Exactly, sorry I dragged you into that mess. But ever since then, I've been thinking, this place must exist for a reason. My guess is, this place is used to prepare meals for the infected. Meals for the infected? See that hole? Judging by those bloodstains, I think it's used to move bodies. And this basement isn't just connected by the hidden passage we came through. There are other access points too. Which means they can secretly transport corpses through here. What? Normally, they keep the openings covered with these iron plates. Uy, putik ka!
What are you doing down here all by yourself?
By myself? What? Ah, si Yuki! Yuki!
That bird upside down there, pick it up and follow me.
Ayun! Hello, Sleary. Wala na ata si Yuki! Yuki's a ghost, I guess?
Baka wala na talaga si Yuki tas multo na yun.
Oh my gosh. Wala na pala si Yuki? What if ghost na pala siya? Si Yuki! Patay na ito ata si Yuki! So... Where do you bring this, bro? What?
The night air is strange, isn't it? Almost smells like putting something out from inside you. At first, no one realizes that's how it is for everyone. At first,
His eyes red.
your hands shake, your stomach turns. But then, at some point, your appetite returns. Curious, isn't it? They all tremble at first, but later, their eyes shine, hungry, like beasts. You don't understand yet, but soon, you will. In this place, that's just how it is. Now, go inside. The ritual must be carried out.
What?
To be reborn, the preparations must be completed.
What do you mean? Saan ko ilalagay? Oh, what? Tang nigiri, finger rolls, eyeball gunkan, intestine cream roll, restore power to all rails? Oh! Uy, sino to? Uy!
Holy shit.
Uy! Oh my... May Jonat Izard niya. Ay, putik ka! Paano ko magagawa agad yung lahat? Retry from checkpoint with lower difficulty. Sobrang bagal na ba nila? Kung ganun. Ang bagal na nga nila. Tapos iisa na lang yung nangahabol. Sige, salamat ha. Okay, done. Next. Asan yung isa? Asan yung isa? Hindi ko na makita. Ayun, okay na. Restore all power. Okay, goods. Magsaserve na tayo ng mga laman loob nila. So, si Yuki to? Ay, si Yuki nga ata. What? Oh, no! Manager! Patay na tayo? Panaginip lang. It was just a dream. I knew it. What the hell was that? But it felt real. Day 3? Ay, akala ko tapos na magsaserve pa ako. Oh, may something na sa day 3. Mahaba din yung second game ko eh. Pero sana gumana siya pag ano. Kasi kanina hindi siya nagumagana eh. Weird. My hands are still shaking. And my neck, it aches. Was that really just a dream? Still, a dream is just a dream. Are you sure? Sure ka ba? Sure ka ba dyan? Hey man.
What's with the look on your face? Did you dream you cut your hand while prepping your ingredients, young man?
I wish it were just a joke like that. I had this weird dream, and even after waking up, it still feels unsettling.
Dreams sometimes, they linger more in the heart than in the head. Maybe it wasn't just a nightmare. Maybe it was just the beginning of something.
What?
You don't know yet. What's dream and what's reality.
Huh?
Young man, you okay? You're sweating buckets. Your face has gone completely pale.
What was that? You just said. It sounded strange somehow.
I only asked if you were okay. Maybe you were just feeling dizzy.
Yeah, maybe. Sorry, something just flashed through my head for a moment. Baka krug din siya dati bago siya naging pulubi. Baka. Forget it, don't worry about me. Feeling ko nga, hindi ba ito yung ano? Hindi ba siya lang yung hindi infected sa lugar na to? Ikaw kasabwat ka eh, no? Good morning.
Ah, you here? Not late again, I see.
Yes, I'll do my best today as well.
Yuki's not coming in today. She's feeling unwell. Seems her condition was off since the morning. The manager called me and said she should take the day off. Which means they'll have to pick up the slack today.
Ah, yes, understood.
By the way, did you scratch yourself on something this morning?
No? Why do you ask all of a sudden?
That mark on your neck. Maybe. Did you have a nightmare last night?
What?
Forget it. Never mind. Go on and get ready.
Ha? Nag-hallucinate na rin tayo? Uy, ano yun? Weird ah. Finger rolls? What? Bakit may finger na dito? What do I do with this? Sino yung kumakain nito ah? Sino nag-order ng finger rolls? Bakit may finger rolls na mabibigay ko ba itong daliri na yan?
Ako nag-order ba?
Wooden bowl. Yung mag-order ng ganito, weirdo ka weirdo. Bigyan kita ng koko dito eh. Let's see, 24. 24. Sa C siya dapat sa dulo. Pero kailangan natin maglagay ng doon ano. Ay, awit ka, mali. Puro mali kaya eh. Good work today. You can start wrapping up. Okay, thanks. Sige. Pag lumapit si manager. Ay, hindi. Pasok tayo, pare. Alright, time to check. Okay na, i-check na natin. Okay na. Ready na i-check to, guys. Ayan na. I-check na tayo ng something. What the? This is exactly like in my dream. Then that room wasn't just a nightmare?
What the hell was that noise?
Hey! What the hell are you doing in there?
Get out here now!
Damn it. Narinig tayo?
Tell me, what the hell did you see in there?
No. I didn't see anything. I was just trying to tidy up the lockers. That's all.
You're done here. You're fired.
And another thing, if there's even the slightest chance you run your mouth about this,
I can't let you walk out of here.
oh no! Oo na, alam ko na yan. Bye-bye, manager! Bye-bye! Uwi na ako, ha?
Kaki, ang bilis!
Bilis niya! Manager! Manager! Ah! Putik ang bilis! Ay no, bagal niyo. Alis na ako, ha? Wala yung homeless doon. Saan nanggaling yung homeless? Nawawala siya. Open! Open na to! Putik ka. Ang bagal! Should I... Uy!
Dapat
Who could that
nagdasal
be?
ka muna bago umalis.
Si Yuki to, I think. Who are you, bro? Who are you? Detective. Oh, okay.
Excuse me, I'm a detective for major crimes. Has something happened? You don't look so well.
Oh no, it's nothing. I'm just a bit tired today. But what brings you here?
You work at the sushi house, right? Correct? One of the employees there has gone missing. Have you noticed anything unusual recently?
An employee? That's just me, Yuki, and...
Yes, Miss Yuki has been reported missing. When was the last time you
Right
saw her?
timing para ay-
Missing? Yuki is... She was fine just yesterday. But when I came up in today, the chef said she wasn't feeling well. And wouldn't be coming.
And was there anything unusual at the restaurant today?
Actually, there was.
What happened?
Every time I changed clothes in the locker room, I heard a draft, even though it's a closed place. It felt strange. And after work, I snuck back into the locker room and moved one of the lockers. And there was a hidden passage.
A hidden passage.
Yes, but the manager noticed and yelled at me to get out. He fired me. And then he said he couldn't just let me leave.
What exactly did he mean?
He said I wouldn't be leaving the place. And then he came at me. He came at me like he was going to do something. So I ran.
I see. That's a serious matter. Thank you for the information. We'll investigate this carefully. And please be careful. If anyone approaches or threatens you, Report it immediately. Here's my card. Call me if anything happens.
Yeah, yes, thank you.
Then I'll be on my way.
Bye-bye! Kung ang ganda naman ng kondo ng character. Oo nga eh. Tapos, broke tayo sa lagay na to ah. No caller ID. Unknown number?
Who'd be calling at this hour?
Hello?
It's me, Yuki.
Yuki?
Where are you? What happened? I'm trapped. Please, help me.
Trapped?
Where are you? I'll come right now. Just tell me the location. I don't know. I have no idea where this is. It's pitch dark. Feels like underground. The air reeks of rot. Calm down. If I get the police, if I call the police, no, not the police.
Change
Never.
yung voice over, hahaha.
What? Why not?
In a situation like this, of course. I can't explain right now, but the moment you involve them, we'll both be in danger. Please, just trust me.
What do you mean, Yuki?
Please, don't call the police. Just come quickly. There's no time, please.
Oh no, what happened to Yuki, bro? Ano nangyari kay Yuki? What do I do? Do I really have to go alone? Go save her but call the detective o go save her alone? Steam lang ba yan? Ano, liligtas ba natin siya o tatawagin natin yung detective kasama yung detective? Tawagin ba natin yung detective? Marunong ba lumaban tong character natin? Parang hindi naman eh. Ano bang ginawa natin dito? Nag-serve lang tayo ng sushi. Save her alone, pre. Gusto ko maging ano eh. This choice will affect the outcome of the story. Are you sure you want to make this choice? Yes. Alone para sa thrill? Okay.
This has to be the place.
Of course, ayun yung place. What do you
Tatlong
mean?
ending yan.
That place I saw in my dream, it wasn't just a nightmare.
If Yuki is being held somewhere, it has to be
Takot
here.
yan siya pag sa tubig.
I just hope no one's inside right now. I hope no one's inside. I just hope no one's in. Take a peek. So, paano ko dadaanan yun?
Thank you sa 9 roses, ah. Okay na. Hello, Sel. Okay na. What?
Ano nangyayari dito? Ano meron? 7? Buti ka may codes! Ay, ambot ka, idol. Wait lang.
First,
Sa code.
I need to figure out a way to power the keypad. Uy, gagi.
Oh gosh. Ha? Ano tunog yun?
What's that?
Oh. Ba't ganun yung hide? Hindi pwede mag-peek?
Siyam-
Okay, nag-chop na siya ulit. Okay, lagyan natin yung ano ulit to. Put this right here. Tapos, ito pala. Okay na. Dali, dali, dali. Faster! Faster! 907, di ba? 71? Hala, hindi ka... Yung red, hindi ko pa nakikita yung red.
1,701.
Ah, 9701.
May color O.
Open, open. Yuki!
Oh my god! Yuki, are you okay? Yuki! How did you even know to come here? I'll explain later. Right now, we need to get out of here.
Wala na sa'kin.
Can you stand? No. You don't understand. He'll be here any moment. If he finds us, we're both finished. Hide now.
Saan yung rubber ducky?
What you mean hide? Ah. Parang ano ata yung rubber ducky collection. Ay! Wow, si Yuki tayo? Okay. Parang hindi nang babae boses. Alam niyo naman gano'ng kahirap magpalit ng boses, di ba? Problema mo, boss. POV na ni Yuki tong, ano na. Oo, siya, nakakatakot ka naman.
Isa v isa kayo.
Strange. I've been sensing someone nearby for a while. Don't tell me you actually called for help. Huh. I thought he'd run off, but to come crawling back in here on his own. What a fool. Not that it matters. Once you step into this space, there's no way out. Why are you keeping me tied up here? Like you need to know. Even if you did, it wouldn't change a thing. What the hell are you planning to do? You'll find out soon enough, so will he.
Sino so? And so, will he? Sino?
Mute ko.
No, you won't be treated the same. You're finished here, but he'll be dealt with in a different way. What do you mean by that? Someone with a special quality deserves to be handled in a special way. And very soon, the real game will begin.
Lupit si Grace nagpapalam pa.
I'll get you out right now, just hang on. Yeah, you saved me. There's a bolt cutter on the shelf over there. Use that to cut these ropes. Bolt cutter? Ito. Cut the ropes? Ba't kailangan ng bolt cut? Abot ka? Ba't kailangan ng bolt cutter sa rope? But why did you say I shouldn't call the police earlier? In a situation like this, of course. A detective the force should, didn't he? That man's already working with him. No, more accurately, he's infected. Ha? Infected na yung detective kanina? Yung kausap natin? What? Infected? With the monster virus? Yes, the manager probably guessed he'd try to report everything to that cop. I can't be sure, but if you had, he could have made sure your call would vanish without a trace. So the manager sent the detective to block any reports? Exactly. If either of us actually reported this, the manager himself would come under the police spotlight, and that would put him at risk. If you'd really called him, by now we'd both probably be in even greater danger. We don't have much time. We need to find a way out, fast. I've thought of two possibilities. First, we find the key to the secret passage you came through. Second, we crawl out through the ventilation system. You look for a ladder. I'll search for the key to the passage. Once we find them, we meet back here. Be careful. We only need one of these to work
Sino po?
if
Sino
we
po
want to
pati?
get out. And promise me one thing. Promise? If either of us gets into danger, and saving the other would put you in danger too, don't do it. Your own safety comes first. At least one of us has to make it out alive. Never forget that. And finally, thank you. Thank you for coming all this way. Dami naman itong ebas ni Yuki. Parang betrayal si Yuki. Kala ko nga kasabot siya nung kape, kaya hindi niya pinapunta. So we need to find the ladder. What's this? Loosen knot? What di mamatay si Yuki, pare? Madids ba? Ito, what's this? Ito. Pwede natin lagay ito dun. Loosen knot. Pwede mo yan. Okay. Oh my goodness ka! Oh my God! Muntik na ako makita! Ano yun? Bakit mo gagawin yun, tol? Block me something. Try natin doon sa kabilang pinto. Ito dito. Ay, ito meron niya, oh. Wait! Hindi ata dito. Doon mismo sa kanya. Sa kanya mismo pala pupunta. Ito ladder. What? Oh, shoot!
Ha! I had a feeling, so I came back. Did you really think you could sleep away? Well, it's not like there are other many places for the two of you to run. Next time, try using your head a little more. Assuming there is a next time. Open this door!
Open this door! What do you want from us? Why are you doing this?
I thought you'd be different. But you keep crossing the line. Thrashing around on your own. No matter if it ends here, so be it.
Oh, Yuki, what are you doing?
If you really believe you can escape, then go on. Try it. I'll be watching to see how long you last.
Yuki, run! Run, Yuki! It's locked, bro. Oh no, what should I do? Oh gosh! Maninigas ako dito! Baka may buhay pa sa inyo, ha? Wala na? Aray mo. I think I'm gonna die. Ay, part nga talaga. Part ata mismo ng story na mamatay ito. Ito si Yuki na to.
I want to save him now, but the freezer door's locked. There's nothing more I can do. I have to get out of here and get help. Fast. It might not be too late.
What? Yun pa rin game, yes.
I've got the key to the secret passage door. I just need to get out of here. Hang on there. I'll be back. I promise.
Yo, stupid bro. Ah! Ay, umay! Patay, gagi. Ba't ganun?
Umay kay Teji.
Nadistract ako sa boses ni Kit. Bakit? Siyempre pag babae dapat medyo malambot tayo, di ba? Oh, skip na natin to. Ba't ko pa babasahin? Gagi, doon lang siya. Nakabang. Ay! Asan na yung ano? Sa CR? Wait. Kailangan ko ikutin sa CR. Kailangan natin ng wrench para ma-distract siya ulit dun. Bigyan natin ng distraction. So, babalik tayo dun sa CR. Wrench. Balik tayo dun. Ikutan na lang natin siya ata. Hindi ko alam kung pwede siya ma-outrun. Hello, Cassidy. Hindi yata siya pwede ma-outrun eh. Wait lang. Okay, let's go. Let's run again. Faster. Takbo agad sa doon. Tapos, kapag pumasok siya doon, saan tayo tatakbo? Ayan, dali. Bye-bye. Uy, gasan yung secret passage. Oh, ito ba? Ito kata. Oh, we're out. Flashlight. What the? Everything's locked? Oh no!
You didn't think you were getting out, did you? Don't bother with useless attempts. Just die quietly here.
So, anong gagawin ko? Wala man na objective or something? Hello there. Ito pala. Pupupuin ko ba siya? We at. Ha! Ang gawa mo dyan! Ano ito? Tatago? Hide and seek yan? Ayos ka, ah. Magaling ka magtago, ah. Ayos ka magtago, boss, ah. Saan tatakbo? Hoy! Saan tatakbo? Hello, casino? Help me, please! Walang tao. Sir!
Please help me. The man is chasing me right now. What are you doing there for? Kill her right now.
Ay, putang gala.
Umay.
Wala din! Ano ko t-shirt pilit ka na? Oh, itan talaga. Baboy pa isa, baboy pa. Oh no! Oh, sure! Patay din si Yuki! Pray. There was no escape? Wala din nangyari! Panoorin na lang natin yung ending, guys. At pag uulitin ko to, wala din mangyari. Ito ba? Ito, no commentary. Rebirth ending, pray ending, respite ending. Gumawa siya ng wrench, yung ginawa ko kanina. Hindi mo alam tinatamad ko ulitin. Oh, ito yung hidden. Oh, gagawa siya distraction, yung ginawa natin kanina. Baka may ibang pupuntahan. Hello, Alito. Hello, Krisha. Isa't isa heart niya. Baka may ibang pupuntahan. Feeling ko. Kasi may bukas na vent kanina eh. Ayan. Saan siya pupunta? Ah! Push rod? May ganun ba kanina?
Basta.
Ayos lang. Kababalik ko lang mag-live ulit. Ay! Pwede maligtas to! I had a feeling came back, blah blah blah. Well, it's not like there are any places where you... Ah, yung doorknob. Para mabuksan natin dito sa loob, hindi mamamatay itong isa. Ayan oh. Okay. So ano mangyari kay Yuki? Ay, nandun na siya. Nasaan si Yuki?
LG pala.
Ganun lang pala. Hindi ko kasi napasok kanina kung saan siya nag-ano ng katawan, nag-chop-chop ng katawan. Kasi mali yung distraction na ginawa ko. Sabi na yung vent yun di sa taas eh. May bukas na vent dun eh. Maninikit. May bukas na vent dun. So gagamitin tong ladder para makaakyat dun kasama si Yuki. Ganun lang pala yun. Kinuha mo kanina. Hindi, wala akong nakuha parang doorknob na something. Nori. Ah, ito si Yuki oh. Ayun na si Yuki. Now's our chance. When the manager passes directly underneath, let's drop this grate. Ayun na. Ayun pala yung hidden ending. It was you? How did you get out of the freezer? I'll explain later. It would have been really bad. Thank you. You saved me. I'm so glad you're alive. It's not over yet. We need to get out of here and call the police. Right, let's alert them before it's too late. Ganun lang? Ganun lang gagawin? A day later. Kasabot pala si Yuki. Here is our new next reporter. Late last night, shocking crimes were uncovered in the basement of the sushi house. According to police investigations, the basement was secretly managed by the restaurant's manager, who was found to have butchered the victims and secretly supplied the remains to monster virus carriers. Authorities have stated that these cases provided new leads in understanding how the virus spreads. In particular, it has now been revealed that infection does not occur through physical contact, but instead through dreams sending shock. What? Wait! Through dreams? So, may infect ka kapag napanaginipan mo? Napanood mo na, Taro? The prime suspect is now in custody and identifications of the victims found in the underground area is underway. Does that mean infected yung character natin? I'm glad it all came to an end like this.
Dreams. Yan yung natulog.
I'm sorry, it still weighs on me that I couldn't save you right then. Napanaginipan nung character natin to eh.
Wala and infected KN.
Grabe ka na, Hatsu. Sige lang. Wala, infected din ata yung main character. I know, if it were me, I would have done the same. So it's okay. In the end, we both survived. Thank you hearing you say that eases my mind a little. But surviving doesn't mean it's really over. Even now, somewhere out there, someone is still eating it. You're right, maybe this isn't the end at all. Maybe it's only the beginning. But at least we're still human. Ayan na, namula na yung ano niya. That's what matters. Yeah. First bite? Okay, infected nga yung main character natin. Aray mo! Infected siya, idol. Kasi napanaginipan niya na ano siya eh. Okay, sige.